Hello guys, welcome back to
another video. And today we're going to the grown-up dentist, not into the children dentist.
Okay. Today is the last day for Nathan in Aizawl for this year, and tomorrow he'll be leaving, and we're gonna miss him so much, right, Lucas?
Let's cry.
I feel like let's cry together. Let's cry together.
Wait a minute.
Why are you smiling? Cry.
No, I shouldn't smile because I'm going.
Oh, you're happy to leave us.
I'm happy to leave us and the world. Guys, there is a way. I'm happy to leave. I'm happy to leave you guys and stay here. That's why.
Okay.
Yes.
Look who's there. Auntie Remy. Smile for Auntie Remy. Smile for Auntie Remy. Lucas, why do you have to close your eyes? Open your eyes. Ready?
Anyone sleeping, but you have to close your eyes, and when they say you close your eyes from here, right?
Smile. Thank you, Lucas. Ready? Okay. Stop dancing, Lucas. I'm taking a photo. Stop dancing, Lucas.
Look, I'm peace dancing.
Okay. Pause. Strike a pause once.
Look, I'm really paused.
Video ka lang.
Wait a minute. I'm thinking for watching our video. Wait a minute.